All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. So I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. So it is September the 11th, and yesterday we saw Kamala Harris, Donald Trump go head to head with their debate. And yeah, I mean, it didn't really cause massive, significant changes in the market. Bitcoin does what it wants to do. We're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. It's going to be a quick one today, guys. We'll look at the technicals of Bitcoin. Also, one analyst referring to the grand finale of Bitcoin and how from October all the way through to December we can expect big things going forward. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I am doing a giveaway, so as soon as I get to, because I am new on YouTube, I'm not new in crypto, but on YouTube, still growing, trying to make things better. So thanks for the advice that you've given me, guys and girls, in the comments. I really appreciate it. And I am doing a giveaway, so as soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a ledger, a nano ledger, to one of you lucky guys or girls out there. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into, let's go into the news first, then we'll finish with the Bitcoin price and where we could be going in the short term and also the long term. So this Bitcoin analyst, his name is it's a strange one, Hornhares. Just to put it into context, the first cycle, this cycle, as you can see here, it's the first time we pierced new all-time highs before the halving, which is true. The halving was back in May. So if we just go back to our trading view, we see here in May we were in this basically this bull flag, this consolidation period. So before that, about 6 months, from October all the way through to February, March, 6 months, we just saw this growth. I mean, it was exponential. It was like a rocket ship all the way up to here. We more than 160% in 140 days. So around 5 to 6 months, and then we took that breather. So that was unknown. I mean, it's the first time that happened where we went to all-time highs before a halving. Usually it happens after. So yeah, it says here we ripped for 6 months straight with barely a pullback, leaving a massive inefficient price zone that we've spent the last months filling, and that's exactly what's happened here. Retested ETF launch a high while sweeping months of low. So here the summer doldrums coming to a close. It's true, summer's coming to a close. 21st of September, officially summer is over, and that's when we can start thinking about that fourth quarter. It's interesting what he says, halftime soon over, grand finale next. And I do agree with him. If the cycles repeat, of course, everything I say on this channel is not financial advice. So if you need a financial advisor, go and seek one out. You could lose money. 90% of people lose money, and crypto is very volatile. So interesting analysis, take on that analysis on this. So like I've been saying on my channel, we're getting closer to that period now where we will have, before you know it, we'll be well past 85k, going towards that 100,000, that six-figure Bitcoin. You need patience in the market. If you've got no patience, you're not going to last. A lot of impatient people, the weak hands have already left, leaving the big institutions, the big players, those that have been in crypto for a long time, left in the space. Bitcoin, I'm sorry, guys, if you're a bear out there, I highly, highly doubt that we will go below 40,000. That will probably be the next bear market if we go down to those lows during the bear market, that is. So I got the Fibonacci, so that's the news. Let's just go into a quick TA with Bitcoin. So I was looking at the Fibonacci levels all the way back from when we were down at 15k to the high, our all-time high of 74k. It's interesting because it does like to hit the 0.38 level, also the 6.8, but I don't think we're coming all the way down back to 37k. I mean, Black Swan event, it could happen, but I highly doubt we will come back down into the 30s. I'll be very, very surprised. That would be a decrease if we came back into the 30s of almost 50%. That's bear market territory. That's bear market stuff. If that happens, then sadly we're back in a bear market. So it's interesting because we had this candle wick really quick. We hit that 0.382 level and we came back into the range around here, back in our bull flag. This bull flag is still valid. I mean, it's an epic bull flag. The price target here is around 83 to 85,000 US dollars. Depends where you measure it from. I'm quite conservative. I measure it down here. Some people measure it here, so it will be even higher. But we're looking at an between 83 to 85,000 US dollar level. So the Fibonacci, it's a nice retracement tool if you want to use that. So I used it on the weekly. I also looked at the daily. Let's just zoom out here. Go from the top, local top all the way back here, our all-time high, to our bottom, which was, let me do that again, hold on. There we go. So as you can see, the 0.382 level is up here. So we're struggling to get past it, which is around that 60K level, which I spoke about yesterday. I won't be surprised if we do come back up and retest the 0.618 level. It loves to test these levels before we come back. Maybe we roll over and we continue to be stuck in this channel. Personally, I don't think so. I think now if we did pump over the next 2 weeks, we're going into October, don't forget, we're coming out of September or Rektember. And yeah, I think if we do pump past that 0.61 level, let's just take it away. First of all, we need to get past that $60,000 level, which is key resistance. Unfortunately for us, it's not happening at the moment. It looks like it's going to be a dead cat bounce. We are officially rolling over at this minute, but the day's not over. We could reverse that and come back and start retesting this $60,000 range. So we need to jump past that $60,000 range. Then we can start talking about that Fibonacci retracement at the 0.618 level, around the 64K. That would be, for me, if we start pumping up to those levels, most likely when we come up to that resistance of this bull flag, we're going to smash through it because it's October, if the cycles repeat. And then we're going to go up to that $90,000 level. I don't think we'll go to 100K in October, November. If anything, it'll be right at the end of this year, going into 2025, where we see that six-figure dollar Bitcoin. So patience is key, guys. You've been patient this long. Continue to be patient, and you will reap the rewards with your altcoins and with Bitcoin if you've got Bitcoin. Hopefully, you do hold some Bitcoin. The reverse is if we do, depending on a lot of things at the moment. We're still waiting one more week for the Federal Reserve to come out with the interest rates. I'm waiting for the 18th or the 19th is going to be big. We're going to see a lot of volatility in the market. That's the truth. And yeah, if we're going to roll over here and we come back down and retest the support, we could, I'm going to say my lows, worst case scenario is these lows here. At 50 to 52,000. I don't think we're going to go lower than that. Could get a really nice, it could be a really good buying opportunity if we do go to those 49, 50K levels, where we could get a nice swing long position in a trade. So if you need my Bitflex, Bybit, you've got the links in the description below. So that's pretty much it for today, guys and girls. Just be patient. September is usually a terrible month. Just, yeah, I mean, patience is key. I can't utter that enough. And yeah, you will reap the rewards. If you're new to this, you will be rewarded for your patience at the end of this year going into 2025. If you're not new to this, then you know exactly what I'm rambling on about. So again, thanks for sticking to the end. Hopefully I'll be with you tomorrow. Enjoy your September 11th, your Wednesday. And I will see you with more videos towards the end of this week and also going into next week. So bye, thanks very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.